Atlas reporting from Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Lesson 6 of 6, Sidebar Drill Down. Drill Down is delivered through a special form called the Sidebar Drill Down Viewer. It is open from a button on the Atlas ribbon bar and is available on all Atlas reporting objects. There are two types of drill down. The sidebar, where the drill down is displayed in a special task pane known as the sidebar. These are built using the Atlas desktop app and consist of one or more tabs, each of which is analogous to the page in the presentation in the desktop app. The second type just uses the Atlas desktop app and shows the drill down as a presentation. This in itself can have attached drill downs and can include many pages to the presentation. Sidebar drill downs support row-based and column-based drill downs. This means that the context of the sidebar can change depending on the column you select in the report. The contents of both forms of the drill down viewer can be refreshed on demand. There are two ways of building drill downs. To build complex drill downs with graphical representation, you would need to use the Atlas desktop client. This provides the user with more tools and options. Another way to build a drill down is by attaching a snippet that was pre-built containing the information that you wish to display. For the purpose of the training in this chapter, the Atlas desktop client will not be used. Objectives. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand how to open the sidebar drill down viewer, understand how to assign drill down definitions to reporting objects through the use of a snippet, understand how most reports govern what is displayed in the viewer, understand how to refresh the sidebar drill down viewing window, have knowledge of the Atlas desktop client. The scenario. Your workbook with the dashboard and the US account performance report has been distributed and received with positive feedback. The team have commented that the dashboard is great, however, some contextual information would be very helpful. They have asked if there is a means in which you can attach some additional data to your US opportunities values. The information they have stated they would like to see is the number of accounts applicable to those opportunities and whom they are, the number of open opportunities, the estimated close date, and some info on the likelihood of that opportunity becoming a sale. Your task will include to build a report that contains the following fields from both the opportunities and the accounts table. The fields to be included are the account number, account name, estimated close date, estimated revenue, description, and rating. And then clean the report up by filtering the report so that it only shows the US accounts. Filter the report so that only opportunities with an estimated value greater than $0 are included. Adjust the order of the fields to display in this particular order. Estimated revenue to be last in order. And adjust the order of the fields so that they read estimated revenue to be last in the order, estimated revenue to be totaled and displayed in the table, account numbers to be hidden, account of the accounts on the account name to be displayed, rating to be in order from highest to lowest in ascending order. Save the report you've just built, and then opening the sidebar drill down, attach the snippet as your drill down. Open up a new tab in your Introduction to Reporting workbook and select any cell of your choice. Open the Atlas ribbon and select New. Select List from your report type options and then select Next. Choose your data source, CRM 2015. Then click Next. Select the Opportunities table and then click Next. In the search area, enter EST. Select both the estimated close date and the estimated revenue base fields by placing a tick in the corresponding boxes. Click on the X at the end of the search field, closing the search. Select the description field and close the search. Click on the plus icon now to add more fields from the accounts table. Click Related and then select See All Relations. In the search area, enter Account to search for the accounts table. Select the opportunity _customer accounts table by clicking on the ... located at the end of the table name. In the search area, enter account or simply select account name and account number from the suggested fields list. Close the Add Properties field window and then select Next. Configure the query by configuring the filter at the end of this stage to retrieve only US accounts. Select the accounts number from the list of suggested filterable fields and then click on the big orange cog. Click on the orange cog to now configure the filter. In the Apply Filter field, enter US star as the filter. Close the Properties window by clicking on the X in the top corner and then select Insert. Inform Atlas that you wish to work on this report by clicking anywhere within the table. Select Style from the Atlas Inspector pane. Drag the Estimated Revenue field to the bottom of the list, and then right-click the Estimated Revenue field and select Edit. Continue to reorder the fields so they read from top to bottom. Account number, account name, description, rating, estimated close date, estimated revenue base. Right-click the estimated revenue base and select Edit. From the table drop-down menu, select Sum. Close the Properties window by clicking on the X in the top right-hand corner and then select Update. Right-click the account number and select Edit. Select Visible, removing the tick, thus making the field now invisible. Click the cog at the end of the account name field. Click on the table drop-down options and select Count. Close the account name properties window and then click Update. Click on Data. Click on the cog at the end of the Estimated Revenue field and open the Field Properties window. From within the Estimated Revenue Base Properties window, select Filter. Slide the user's filter slider to the right, switching the field to become a filter as well as a value in the report. In the Apply Filter Configuration field, enter greater than 0 and close the Properties window by clicking on the X. Click Update. Now save the report. From within the Atlas Inspector working plane, click on the Snippet icon. Click Save Snippet, opening your Save Snippet file window. Name your snippet US Drill and then click Next. Then simply click Save or Replace. Earlier in the lesson, we mentioned there are two main ways to attach a drill down to a report. One way was through the use of Atlas Desktop Client. The desktop client enables users to build presentations of the data, providing additional tools to edit the drill down display planes, splitting them into two, or creating dashboards similar to those that you see in Dynamics CRM and Microsoft's Power BI. It also enables users to reformat data tables into rich graphical formats such as pie graphs, bar graphs, line dots, and pyramid type reports. Use of Atlas's desktop client is not covered in this training. However, knowledge of its existence is important. How to use the desktop client is covered in detail in the Atlas and Dynamics CRM Advanced Reporting Training Manual. The other way of attaching a drill down is by simply attaching a snippet. To do this, you simply open the workbook and go to the first tab. Select cell G18. Open the Atlas ribbon and click on the drill down button. The sidebar appears as a task pane on the right. Click the cog located in the top right of the drill down pane. In the drill down name field, enter US Drill, then click Next, opening the selected drill down pane. From within the Select Drill Down pane, click Snippets. Select the US Drill snippet from the list presented. Then select Apply. This final action now adding the drill down to the US Opportunities value. So when the US Opportunities cell is selected, the drill down should now open, showing the relevant information you included within the report you built. Key points. Drill down is a mechanism to view the underlying details shown by a reporting function. Drill down is available through the drill down button found on the Atlas ribbon bar and is active for all reporting functions. Drill down uses a sidebar that can be configured to show specifically designed Atlas presentations used by the desktop application. Other lessons learned about the drill down feature are as follows. Drill down sidebars. Sidebar drill downs can be derived from predefined sidebar presentations or from snippets. Desktop presentations can be used as a drill down destination provided that a sidebar drill down is part of the presentation. Designers must build the drill down query before applying the definition to an in-document complete report. Sidebar drill downs can contain many drill down pages. These are designed using the desktop client. Any report saved as a snippet will include any associated drill down definition. The contents of a drill down viewer can be copied to the Windows clipboard, a new or open Microsoft Excel document, a new or open Microsoft Excel workbook, or a new or open Microsoft Word document. The drill down viewer can be refreshed independently of the host reporting function. This concludes Lesson 6, Drill Downs.